Alright, hello, I am Andy, and today I will be rebuilding the Golden State Warriors in NBA 2K21. This is also without injuries, so every team is not going to have injuries. So we have Clay. So this may seem easy on paper, but we have some big contracts to deal with. Currently, I think this team is a playoff team with Clay healthy. But Wiggins with his $29 million. We could get someone like Chris Middleton. When Clay is playing, they're gonna be a great team. We might do this trade because it gives us. It's a tactic if we want to win now because it kills us. Well, we're already kind of dead in cap. We could do something the route that kind of kills the cap. We could go like this route, and this would kind of kill off 29 million, and we only get 5 mil back. But we're still 37 million below. This might be a blow up, so if you're a Warriors fan or one of your favorite players gets traded away, sorry about that. But it's not really a blow up as much as it's just we need to turn this team kind of around. Need to put him on the dynasty page again. I mean, I kind of want Mitchell Robinson. I feel like he's easy to trade for. Let's try and give him. I'm not gonna accept that. Let's try and give him Kent Bazemore, a 2023 first. I'm going to decline that. Maybe add in maybe Kevon Looney. Maybe we take out, maybe instead of Kent Bazemore, do Kevon Looney. That's not going through, so we're gonna put Kent Bazemore back in, and let's get. No, they're not doing this. No, they want Wiggins. No, thank you. I feel like Knox is one of those guys that like you could, I don't know, could try and turn his page, but it's gonna be hard. So let's do Reggie Bullock instead. And that is a done deal. That is our first move of the video. And I think it's pretty good. We traded away Kevon Looney, a 2023 first round, which hopefully will be done with the rebuild by then, and Kent Bazemore. We get Mitchell Robinson and Reggie Bullock. I don't think Bullock's going to do much here because look at our shooting guard depth. I want to keep Jordan Poole around because one, if you know, I'm a huge fan of Jordan Poole. 2, I feel like he can become something huge in this league. Wiggins. Now I might try and trade Andrew Wiggins. I want to do this trade, but I come back to it and just like, I mean, we're gaining cap, but it's not that much. I don't think Wiggins is going to get much better. I saw Emmanuel quickly. Well, I kind of want to go like this. Yeah, we're going to do that trade. I want quickly. I want to... Let's see, what is his potential? We got... Oh. That's not good. Well, it's fine. We'll train him up. We don't really need to win this year. So, let's just sim. Defensive Rookie of the Year. So far, we are not doing great. Nico Minion. I'm gonna return to the G League. And we're gonna try and make a trade here. We're not doing great. So we're gonna try and trade Elfrid Payton. We're just gonna try and trade these guys. Precious Achuya becomes a god in 2K, I think. So we're gonna try and get a bunch of cap. Sorry, Clay. We destroyed the storied part of our franchise by that, but then again, it's just a game. Sorry if you're a Warriors fan. So we might be able to give a good offer to Derrick Rose. Do you want Derrick Rose or? I think that might be a good pickup. Oh no, wait, he's gonna regress, isn't he? He's 32. We have Lou, but let's get. I want to get Jordan Poole some playing time this season. I really do. Maybe he can play it. So I mean, I don't think this this is championship caliber. But what we can do is, we have young players. Could do this. It makes us a win possible team. I mean, kills our depth, but it makes us like shit. Oh my god, alright. I mean, let's look at other offers. Yeah, I mean, that Bulls offer is just too good to pass. Sorry, James. He's gonna do good somewhere. He's gonna do good for them. Very good. So, make him small forward. Nicholas Batum. Let's try and give him that team option. See how he signs. I mean, we don't need to go crazy this offseason. Just bring some players in, you know. Bring in Faku, bring in Jeff Green. And yeah, alright. Player progression. Alright, training camps. Let's do untapped. I wanna, you know, let's do untapped potential for Jordan Poole. I think Nico. Yeah, I think we sent the opens. Yeah, alright, that's fine. So some players went down, some players went up. Works. And I think this is our year, if we're gonna be honest. This is a great team. We used the value of James Wiseman to our benefit. Yeah, no. We used the value of James Wiseman to our benefit. I think that's gonna really help us. Let's look at tendencies actually before we go super deep. I want Shea taking some shots also. Let's reduce him to 90. Oh, he works there. Alright, and oh wait, hold up. Whoops, my fault. That's how did I do it? Alright, MVP, Steph Curry, almost a double-double. Rookie of the year. Was that the center? Yeah, it was. Sixth man of the year, Malachi Flynn. Defensive player of the year, Jonathan Isaac. Most improved player, James Wiseman. And coach of the year, Steve Kerr. Did we get any all-NBA players other than Steph? We did not. All defensive, no. All rookie, no. Alright. I think we win this, right? We are better on paper. We win the first one. We won the second one. I think we can run a 10-man for this series. Safely can run a 10-man for that series. And I think for this coming series, we have to run 8-9-man. Who are we cutting out? Nick Batum, fine with me. Jordan Poole has been doing pretty good this season. First game goes to us. Second game goes to us. Third game goes to us. And excuse me? Simcast. I'm just gonna simcast, so yeah. Alright. We have this when we're moving on. Against New Orleans in the Western Conference Finals. New Orleans always is good in 2K, but I think we can win. I just think we're better. That's not a joke. We'll let you have the first game. We'll let you have the fourth game. I just simcast in case this is actually a close one. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna try and get just 3 with Curry real quick, and then we win him. Yeah. Got the 3 we needed. We win that one. And is that... Are we moving on? Yes, we are. We are moving on. It's either going to be Charlotte or Brooklyn, and I'm really hoping Charlotte. Charlotte! Yes! Yes! And woo! The championship trophy is back to the Golden State. Steph Curry wins his finals MVP. And let's go. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, we